Hey guys, my name is David and I am here to present a project called Aptos Institute. We are here to solve the biggest problem on Aptos. What is the problem, you might ask? The problem is number of active developers. Based on recent data, Aptos only has 800 active developers, while most similarly sized chains had thousands. This is a huge issue because increasing the number of active developers would also increase the number of dApps, which would bring in more users, and users would bring in more TVL. The benefits of this positive flywheel would have impact on the whole ecosystem. Currently, there is about 15,000 active developers on the newcomer or emerging level in crypto. These developers are up for grabs. Chains compete who gets them. The question is, what is the most important metric for new developers? It's how easy it is to learn. As a new developer, there is nothing more frustrating than not having enough quality materials, or having materials but drowning in them, with a lot of jargon and no clear progress path. Aptos Institute fixes that. We reduce the friction in learning by providing accessible materials, and we lower the barrier of entry with simplified jargon. Our gamified learning approach unlocks huge improvements to students' motivation to learn. Rather than dropping someone into a huge pool of resources and letting them drown in them, we present only resources relevant to their next assignment. Rather than forcing them to come with topics they want to learn about, we present them with options that are relevant to their progress path. Students might also appreciate reduced dependencies needed for development, because everything runs fully in a browser. Then, when the time is right to find a job within the ecosystem, we provide an on-chain resume, which serves as a proof of skill. Companies are able to see the on-chain resume and simplify the hiring process based on that. Let's run over our core features. Setting up local development on new blockchains with new tech can be challenging. Usually, it requires a bunch of dependencies and developers can get frustrated fast. We present our interactive in-browser coding courses with zero dependencies, which let you write, compile, and test your code in browser. For successful completion of courses, our students get tokens based on their performance in the course. Those tokens can be burned to unlock more courses or used to sort of bump up students' profile on our hiring page. Using on-chain tokens instead of internal Web2 currency allows anyone to build seamlessly on top of Aptos Institute. On-chain resume is an soul-bound NFT with dynamic metadata that evolves over time as user progresses through the courses. It is a representation of skills someone has acquired through Aptos Institute and can be used as a proof of skill when looking for a job. When our students are ready to take positions in companies, we simplify the process by featuring our best students on our hiring page, along with outlining their qualities proven in our courses. We are open source and consider this project non-profit public good. In the future, we aim to crowdsource materials from individuals or groups from everywhere and anywhere in the world. This also allows for decentralized fact-checking and maintenance of existing materials. Think of this as your teacher having hundreds or thousands of brains instead of just one. Let's go ahead and check out our demo. Hi guys, I'm here today to showcase Aptos Institute, a platform for learning blockchain development on Aptos. So let's go ahead and explore courses. When we get to this course page, you can see on the top right that my wallet is already connected. If you've never been on the page before, you're gonna have to connect your wallet first, and on the first connect you will get a soulbound NFT which will act as your on-chain resume. Now let's complete some courses. As you can see, we have a few recommended courses right on this page, but we can go ahead and use this filtering method here and filter just the ones for beginners. So let's go ahead and start with this fundamentals of blockchain development. You can see it's free. Now, this is how our interactive experience works. In each course, there is a few challenges. You can see the number of challenges down here. In each challenge, you get a task. So let's go ahead and try. We can click here and we can type just like you would type in any normal IDE. And this is fully in browser with no dependencies. Let's type struct, my struct2 has key, message of type string. Now we can try to validate the code and see if it's correct. The code is incorrect. If you don't know how to achieve the correct solution, we can get a hint. I'm gonna go ahead and complete this set of first 5 challenges so I can show you how to progress further. Welcome back. As you can see, I have successfully completed all 5 challenges, and now we can go back and click the courses tab again. Now we are gonna see that the first beginner course is now completed. We have received 10 tokens as the reward, and now we are able to buy the second course for 10 tokens. These tokens will be burned and act as an internal currency for Aptos Institute. Let's go ahead and purchase the next course. As you can see, it says I need 10 tokens in order to start and purchase this course, and the balance is 10 tokens. Let's go ahead and buy it. Here, the wallet pop says it's gonna cost us 10 quest tokens, which seems correct. Let's go ahead and approve the transaction. Now, tokens were successfully burned, and it's gonna move us to the second course we just purchased. This is how purchasing new courses and burning tokens work. Let's view the profile page now. As you can see, my name currently is user13. We can change that and rename myself to David Demo. I'm gonna save it, and we can see it was updated successfully. Now, here on the right, we can see our on-chain resume. That means we can see which courses we have unlocked and which are still locked. And we can also see the score I completed, and if I used hints or I didn't, and how many attempts I made for each course. This resume is also available to be viewed on the Aptos Explorer. We can check it out. This is my address, the one I'm currently using. Here, if we go to tokens, we can see we have the developer resume, and we can see its data right here in token properties. Right now, my rank is beginner, and I have only completed course 1. Let's go back into the app. After we have viewed the user profile, the only last page to view is the hiring page. Once our users are ready to join companies, we have a hiring page to promote them and help them get employed. Companies can use this page to search on-chain resumes and see the skills of the users. We can also see the details of the users and how well they did in each course they have completed and what skills they have acquired. We can also filter based on completed courses right here. This has been Aptos Institute. Thank you for watching.